Hello, everyone. I am David, and you are listening to the Personal Finance Tip of the Week, and this week's topic is about ditching the plastic sandwich bags. It is no secret that closable plastic bags have many uses and they are convenient. However, they are typically single use, so they're just thrown into the trash. For example, it has been suggested that the average American uses 500 sandwich bags per year. Then take a family of 5. That's $2,500 a year. Ouch. So what we did was switch over to silicone bags because they are durable, non-toxic, they can handle high heat, they can be cleaned in the dishwasher, and they have a long shelf life. So we went to Amazon and bought a 2-pack set that included 8 large-size bags, 18 lunch and sandwich bags. This also includes silicone bowl coverings that replace the plastic wrap. In the end, it cost us just $42, and imagine over 18 years of raising kids, that saves money but also eliminates 45,000 plastic bags from ending up in a landfill. So that's going to do it for the Personal Finance Tip of the Week. Until next time, I am David.